Judge Sarah Ellis, in her ruling, she said it is, quote, difficult to conceive how an injunction, which she issued today, requiring the government to comply with the Constitution could possibly be harmful. You might remember she was the judge who had Border Patrol Commander Gregory Bovino take the stand. His deposition played a huge role in today's decision.
Asked about his agent's use of force at the Broadview ICE Processing Center.
I believe that all uses of force that I've seen and all arrests that I've seen have been more than exemplary.
Commander Gregory Bovino stands by his agent's actions. The commander seen here at a different protest in Little Village, deploying tear gas onto a crowd. And then his agents using the same thing in Old Irving Park, where kids were gathering to join a Halloween parade. The Trump administration has tried to argue that those uses of force were necessary. Judge Sarah Ellis today saying, quote, "I find the defendant's evidence simply not credible." Later adding, quote, "Describing Rapid Response Network's neighborhood moms as professional agitators shows just how out of touch agents are." Other evidence presented in court showed a pastor at Broadview being struck by pepper balls while extending his arms in what he called a posture of prayer.
In response to these prayers, ICE agents opened fire on me. Without warning, they shot me at least 7 times, including on my face and on my head.
Reverend David Black and others calling this preliminary injunction a win, which says agents are banned from using tear gas, chemical spray, other less lethal weapons, quote, unless such force is necessary to stop the immediate threat of physical harm to another. That they must issue 2 separate warnings before using force that people can reasonably hear, among other things. The government has responded in part saying this injunction is an extreme act by an activist judge that risks the lives and livelihoods of law enforcement officers. We shall appeal. This case far from over. Judge Ellis today mentioning Bovino, quote, admitted that he lied that a rock hit him before he deployed tear gas in Little Village.
Sooner or later, if you're a liar, your lies will catch up to you.
Now, it's not clear if anything will come out of that omission. We do know that plaintiffs will follow up in court on any violations about the judge's rules, which last at least until this case is over. They're back in court a week from now. Marie.
Sabrina Franza in our newsroom with that update. Thank you, Sabrina.